Okay, so the year of the metal ox. Now, the ox is very steady, it is very stubborn. How many oxes have I got in the room? A couple, great. Okay, so the ox is steady, it is very stubborn, and it is very capable of dealing with whatever life throws at it. Okay? So this year, the effect that we are all going to feel and have around us is of steadfastness. It's a year where we have to plod, where we're not going to know what actually comes up, how we're going to be affected by it, but it is a year that it's one foot in front of the other, okay? It is very much slow and steady growth for the ox year. The ox does tend to procrastinate, and the ox, like any earth element, can actually get a little bit nonchalant, and it can go, okay, my way or the highway, if you don't like it, too bad. Ox people will find that often a lot gets thrown at them. So we find when it is an ox year, there is a lot that is actually thrown at us, because the ox is one of the animals that can handle the greatest hardship in life. So we do find that ox years are actually hard years, unfortunately, because of the earth element within it. It's a period of good energy, but it is a period of slow growth. Method, order, as I said, one foot in front of another is what is actually needed, that is required for you for this year. The ox year is strong. Oxes can be stubborn, okay? They can actually be a little bit fixed, but it is very slow and steady. It is sometimes a little bit harsh though, because the ox is not like a mountain, but it is like a bull in a china shop. So the ox isn't always aware of its actions and how it affects other people around us. And when we have ox years, we also have what we call a lot of natural disasters and a lot of earth disasters. So we're actually already experiencing that. Even in the last month, we've had extreme snow in some countries. We've had extreme flooding in other countries. It is a year where there is likely to be avalanches and tsunamis and volcanic eruption, because as the earth gets really hard, it gets unstable, and as a lot of water is added to that earth, it also gets very unstable as well. So it can be a little bit rocky. I know I'm not painting a really good picture as yet, am I? Shelby said to me, you know, Mum, your job is to sell hope. Is there anything good about these notes? Can you say anything good about the year? And I said, well, that is true. My job is to sell hope. But my job is also to educate you, and so that you're already also aware. So I said, if I paint the picture that everything's going to be great, and then it's not, then you go, oh, Michelle doesn't know what she's talking about. So I figure it's far easier to tell you about the hardships of the year. That means you're actually going to enjoy what is good when it comes. You will actually appreciate it as it comes. So the ox year the ox is very dynamic, it's very influential. It is a year of method, and it's a year to focus on what's real and what is actually tangible. So it's a matter of what is real and what is tangible and what you can actually work with. So you need to be slow, steady and efficient in your approach for everything.